Today on Cool Graphics, we are going to try this trendy glossy effect and then use them in our design. So let's quickly dive into this video. Alright, so you can create a document of any size, but I'm creating 12 by 12 inch document. Now let's go and click create. Grab the pen tool, T for shortcut, and click once and then type glossy text. So the font that I'm using is Moglite, okay, or Moglite. Now let's go to Windows and select paragraph. Now let's center align it. Very good. Control T and then let's scale it up. Good. Now grab the text tool again and then drag over the text to highlight the text. Then let's go to Windows character. Okay. Now let's change the font size of the text and then the leading, let's change it. So after that, let's go ahead and click OK. And then on the same character panel, let's click on stylistic alternates. Alright, so this appears. Grab the text tool and then highlight the J and then L. Now let's go back and click on the stylistic alternate again to hide the styles, and then let's select X and T and do the same thing, and then highlight the Y and do the same thing. Alright, so select the background layer and then create a new solid color. Alright, you can choose any color. Select the text layer, come to FX and then click on blending options. This pops up. Click on stroke. Set the stroke size to 90 pixels, position to outside, and then opacity to 100. Now let's click gradient. Okay, so click on the gradient, come and click on the left color stop, click color, and then you can copy the color code on the screen and then go ahead and click OK. The second color stop and come and click color, copy the color code. Alright, so make sure opacity is 100, style linear, and then angle 151 degrees, and go ahead and click OK. Drag the text layer to the plus icon below to duplicate. Hide the bottom one, right click on the top one, and then choose rasterize layer style. With the same layer selected, let's go to FX and then blending options. This time click on drop shadow. Set blend mode to multiply, opacity to 24, and then angle to 128, distance to 73, and then size to 27. Alright, so you can hide the background and see the effect well. Alright, let's bring it back. Good. Go ahead and grab the pen tool. If you want to know more about the pen tool, I have a course in my channel. Click here, come and click, hold and drag, okay, to get a curve. Now hold down Alt key and click on this anchor point to cut the fore handle. Good. Come up here, click, close the path. Let's go to the control panel and then click fill. Alright, so top here, click on gradient. Set the gradient angle to 60 degrees and then click on the gradient bar. This pops up. Now in the presets, go and drop down the basics and then click on the middle one, which is foreground to transparent. Click the left color stop and then change it to white, and then do the same thing to the right, change it to white. Okay, click OK, come and click OK. Now grab the move tool and then come and right click on the layer we created with the pen tool and then select clipping mask. Change the opacity to 54 and then come and click layer mask. Grab the brush tool, shortcut B on the keyboard. I'm using a brush flow 54 with foreground color black. Let's brush over here to mask them out, but we need to make sure this line is sharp and crispy. So click on the layer and then increase the opacity a little bit. So 72% might be good. Okay, so you can move it anywhere you want, okay, and you get this glossy effect. So you can leave it like this, or you can set the opacity to 100 and then click on the layer mask thumbnail and then grab the brush with foreground black. Let's mask out small portion. Good. Click the layer and then change the opacity to 85%. Alright, so you can also play around with yours to have whatever that suits you. Okay, so if I zoom out, you see you have a glossy text. Alright, so try and use this trendy technique in your designs to make them seamless, more appealing. Alright, so this is Cool Graphics. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe to this channel and I'm out. Peace.